Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you the awesome Sunbook work light. They are portable. It is a 2-in-1 rechargeable fluid work light and 2-in-1. It's a power bank too. 3 color temperature, warm, cold and daylight, and capacity of 10,000 mAh. And this is a lot. I think it's really awesome because I bought 2 of them because each car of mine will get one of these devices. This is really awesome for emergency and other activities as well. It's a work light which is portable. It's a camping LED USB rechargeable fluid light for outdoor use with 10,000 lumens and 10,000 mAh power bank too. It's an emergency light with 15 light modes for power outage, camping, workshop, emergency, etc. And it comes with a super bright lightning. The LED work lamp with 10,000 mAh power bank. The ability to charge our phone quickly with up to 1000 lumens of ultra bright brightness level according to different brightnesses. Running time between 10 hours and 220 hours. That's a long working time. It can provide a long-term lightning. And 15 adjustable modes are available. The new LED campaign light provides daylight white, warm white, and 5 lightning modes. High, medium, low, and dark. And of course, SOS. A total of 15 lightning modes for different requirements. And it's robust and waterproof. The waterproof rechargeable searchlight is leak-proof, wear-resistant, waterproof, and conforms to IP65 protection. If the battery is safely supplied with power, it can be used on rainy days and is particularly suited as a searchlight and emergency light too. It's easy to carry. A portable outdoor camping lantern with adjustable handle. Small, lightweight, easy to carry, suited for home, garden, outdoor, hiking, fishing, car repair, emergency situation, etc. Very suited for night work, of course. This is the nice LED fluid light is equipped with a heat sink to effectively dissipate the heat, preventing overheating inside the bulb and extending the life of the headlamp with CE, FCC and RoHS certification. That means it's safe to use that awesome device. The dimensions are 11.6 to 4.3 to 12 centimeters, and it's 332 grams heavy. It's made by Sunbook, and the item model number is P10. It's an LED-styled power bank plus a light system. Oh, the color is orange. The out color of the frame of the surface. It's made out of ABS plastic and aluminum alloy. We have 15 LEDs built in. The voltage is 5 volts, so it can be recharged easily with an USB cable between or with your computer, with your USB plug, with your smartphone, AC adapter as well. Everything is possible. The battery is built in. It comes with 10,000 mAh, and this is awesome. The wattage is 7.2 watts, and it's a portable LED glare projector with 10,000 milliampere hours battery capacity, IP65 waterproof, and 1,000 lumens of brightness level with 15 watts. That's really awesome. We have different modes: white, warm, and warm white. We can choose 100%, 60%, 30% of brightness level, and of course 3%, and SOS strobing. In white, warm, and warm white, everything is possible. It's really easy. The chroma is from 5,500 up to 6,000 Kelvin, and it means it's awesome. This is the daylight white light. The warm light will be from 3000 up to 3500 Kelvin. This is warm light. and we have to, or we can change between daylight, white light, warm light, and warm white itself. Before connecting the power supply, we have to be sure to check the voltage compatibility of our device. But nearly all kind of AC adapters out there with USB charging cable is fitting to this. When not in use, the device should be charged every 3 months, okay? We have a mobile energy and a power bank included. We can use these features when charging our mobile device for outdoor activities or sudden power outage with a 5-volt 2-ampere USB link slot on the device itself. With a total capacity of 10,000 milliampere, we can use it 10 to 220 hours and a brightness of up to 1000 lumens. We can easily illuminate the desired area, as in a dark room without electricity. And we have a adjustable handle and a multi-purpose, a flexible handle, low weight and compact design for outdoor activities such as car repair, workshop, construction site work, camping, hiking, hunting, adventure, emergency as well. And it's waterproof and environmental protection. With the IP65 protection, the enclosure provides splash protection to ensure that the work light functions properly in rain, snow, heat or cold. It's lead-free and mercury-free. No infrared or ultraviolet radiation. We can use it for searching, camping, fishing, hiking, emergency blackouts as well. Everything is possible with this work light, and it is portable. It is a really awesome device, and I am connecting each device or one of that into my Poseidon. It's an Audi A4, and the other one gets into my Princess Mystery. That is in Smart for 2. That is the work light, which is portable by Sunfook Store. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel soon.